Hey ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Channel Hot Monkey, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to solve the black screen issue that a lot of OBS users have been experiencing after their transition to Windows 10. So before we actually do anything, let's just quickly demonstrate the problem by trying to initiate a simple monitor capture using OBS. So let's just simply run OBS, and we would do that the standard way. Right here we would create a scene, and under sources we would add a monitor capture. I'm going to leave the settings on default. Now if I click on preview stream, I would get something that looks like this. Now this would actually be the same result I would get if I actually recorded rather than just preview the stream. Luckily this can be easily fixed. Now since OBS usually comes in two versions, a 32-bit version and a 64-bit version, first off we're going to determine the type of your system. So what you're going to do is click on Start menu, click on the arrow next to File Explorer, then right click on this PC and go to Properties. Now up here under System Type you can see that I have a 64-bit operating system. Okay, now that I've determined that, I'm going to close this and click on my Start menu one more time. I'm going to go to All Apps and I'm going to find Open Broadcaster Service. Okay, there it is. I'm going to open up this menu and I'm going to right click on any one of these two. One is a 32-bit version, one is a 64-bit version. At this point it doesn't matter. We're simply going to right click on any one of them and we're going to click on Open File Location. Okay, now since I know that I have a 64-bit version of Windows, I'm going to be dealing with the 64-bit version of OBS. So I'm going to right click on that. Then I'm going to go down in Properties and click on that. I'm going to click on the Compatibility tab. And right here where it says Compatibility Mode, I'm going to put a check mark in the box next to Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. And then I'm going to click on this drop down menu here and I'm going to select Windows 7. Now I'm going to click Apply and then I'm going to click OK. So now if I open the OBS software, the 64-bit version right here on this location, as you can see I already have my scene created and my monitor capture source created. Now if I click on Preview Stream, you'll see that it looks perfectly normal. And that's exactly how it's going to look when you actually record. Now one thing you have to have in mind in order for this to work is that you have to be running the version of OBS that you set the compatibility settings for. So since I have a 64-bit version of Windows, I modified the 64-bit version to run in compatibility mode for Windows 7. And now every time that I run this certain 64-bit version of OBS, it's going to run perfectly fine, as you can see on screen. So that would be all for this video, guys. I really do hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. If you found the video helpful or simply enjoyed watching it, be sure to hit that like button and share the video with your friends that you think might find this interesting. For more similar content, be sure to subscribe, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.